We're talking Trader Joe's Pumpkin JoJo's. Don't you know no good? Don't you know no good? It's the most wonderful time of the year. And no, I'm not talking about Christmas, even though I do love that time of year too. Not quite yet. I'm talking about the time of year when all things pumpkin spice hits the shelves, coffee shops and donut spots. I absolutely love it. If you love pumpkin spice as much as I do, and you're looking for a vegan-friendly pumpkin spice treat, then you know what? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you may be ready to head to Trader Joe's. Hello there, I'm EJ, and thank you for joining me for another edition of Vegetarian Products in Review, where I am committed to providing you with unbiased and open reviews on vegetarian and vegan products. Now, every month there are new vegetarian or vegan products that are hitting the market. Now, of course, this is exciting for us, but it can also be a bit overwhelming as you don't know which products deserve your hard-earned money. And that's why I'm here to help you discover new products while also helping you decide if you should give it a try or if you should just pass that right on by. Leave it right there on the shelf. Now, if you have a Trader Joe's near you, count your lucky stars. Not everybody has one. They make some pretty awesome stuff. Last week, I found their Pumpkin JoJo's, which of course is a clever little play on the word Oreo. I'm not mad at it, and grabbed a box so that I can try them. Now, these pumpkin wafer cookies are sandwiched together with a pumpkin flavored cream filling. Now, the cream filling, I have to say, is awesome. It has a fluffy texture and it's very nice, and it reminds me of whipped icing, if you like whipped icing versus buttercream icing. I mean, there's a whole battle on that. Have you tried these Pumpkin JoJo's? If so, the Vegetarian Like Me community would love to know. So make sure you comment below with what you thought of the Pumpkin JoJo's, if you had a chance to even give them a try. Now, these cookies may look like your typical Oreo style cookie, but these pumpkin cookies are full of flavor, and I believe taste better than the pumpkin flavored Oreos I've used in the past. And trust, I've tried all the Oreos, different flavors, and this pumpkin is definitely pretty nice. Now, these Pumpkin JoJo's are twistable, dunkable, and would be awesome in a pie crust. Just think of making a pumpkin pie with a Pumpkin JoJo's pie crust. Oh my gosh. Pumpkin pie for no one, just me, right? A 10.5-ounce box of Pumpkin JoJo's contains 10 cookies, which doesn't seem like enough just for me. And it costs $2.49 and are only available at Trader Joe's and for a limited time only, which makes me very sad. And guess what? These Pumpkin JoJo's are dairy and egg free, which means, yep, these are vegan friendly. And vegans, if you are worried about the type of sugar used in these cookies, Trader Joe's has got it covered. They know their stuff. They use cane sugar, which of course is not processed using bone char. So enjoy, and thanks Trader Joe's later. And now, on to the facts. Nutritional facts, that is. Each serving of Trader Joe's Pumpkin JoJo's is 2 cookies, not 10, not the entire box, but 2 cookies, and is 150 calories, 6 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, 13 grams of sugar, 70 grams of sodium, and 1 gram of protein. But what do you expect? It's dessert. Indulge a little. Now, Trader Joe's Pumpkin JoJo's main ingredients are cane sugar, enriched white flour, palm oil, invert sugar, pumpkin puree, canola oil, and organic pumpkin powder. The Trader Joe's Pumpkin JoJo's is a combination of 2 of my favorite things, cookies and pumpkin. And so because of those 2 reasons, it's a try. Now, for more information about Trader Joe's and their Pumpkin JoJo's, make sure you visit TraderJoe's.com, or I made it a little easier for you. You can just click on the link below. Now, if you love vegetarian cooking, make sure you visit Vegetarian Like Me to claim your free 10 delicious meat-free dishes cookbook. And of course, As I continue to try more Trader Joe products, I will keep you posted. But of course, to make sure that you don't miss a Trader Joe's product review video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell, ding ding, to be notified when a new video is posted. It's not about making life simple, you know? We got enough to worry about. If you haven't tried these pumpkin JoJo's, do you think you will? Do you think you'll just pass them on by? Will you give them a try now that you know a little bit more about them? The VLM community wants to hear from you. So, if you would, please enter your comments below and share with others. Now, at VLM, we are here to share tips, tricks, and tools for a vegetarian like you. Make sure you join the conversation about pumpkin JoJo's by entering your comments below, on Facebook, on Twitter, and Instagram by using hashtag pumpkinjojos. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Vegetarian Product and Review, where I help you decide if you should give a product a try or if you should pass it on by. And as always, I enjoy spending so much time with you. Thank you for welcoming me into your home or your office or wherever it is. But watch the next video for more tips, tricks, and tools for a vegetarian like you. And until next time, thank you and take care.